Okay, so here we have question number 10, part 1. As you can see, we have to simplify this expression here. So it's very easy, the same thing which we done previously in question number 8 here. Just rearrange the numbers and start solving them. So first I will open the brackets here. 3p plus minus minus q minus 7r minus minus plus 8p minus q plus 2r. Rearrange the values and write the values with the same. So we will go alphabetically, p first and then q and then r. So I will arrange all the values with p first. P, okay, we have 8p here, so plus 8p, and that's all. So for q we have two values, minus q and the second q, minus q here. And for r we have minus 7r and at the end plus 2r. Count the values 1 2 3 4 5 6, and also here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have not missed any value here. Okay, so we can also simplify, just add and subtract them. 3 plus 8, 11p, minus q minus minus plus, we will add them here. If there is not a number written here, it means the coefficient is 1, and also here. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2q, and both of the minus signs, so it will be a minus sign here. Okay, again at the end, plus minus minus. 7 minus 2 is 5, 5r, and 7 is the larger number, it has the minus sign, so minus 5r. So 11p minus 2q minus 5r, this is our simplified expression, and this is the answer for part 1 of question number 10. Okay, here we have question number 10, part 2. It says find value of expression when p equals to q equals to 1 whole number 1 upon 2 and r equals to minus 5. So these values are given to us, and we have to find the value of the expression given to us in the question. So as you can see, in the last part we solved the fraction and we got this answer. We solved this fraction and we got this answer. So in this part we just have to put these values in here and simplify it. So it's very easy. 11, I'm writing here 11p has the value 2 here, so I will replace the p with 2 and it's multiplying. Minus sign, 2q means 2 and q here. Okay, before putting the value of q, first convert it into a whole fraction, so you know how to convert it. Q equals to 2 is multiplied with this number here. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, so it will be 3 upon 2. 2 times 1 is 2, and then 2 plus 1, we will add this number, so 2 plus 1 is 3, so the answer is 3 upon 2. So I'm replacing this with 3 upon 2 here. Minus sign, 5, r has the value minus 5 here again, so it's minus 5. It's very easy now. 11 times 2 is 22, you all know. You can see here this 2 is multiplying with this fraction, so as you can see the 2 is here and 2 is dividing by 2 here. 2 is multiplying by 3 here and 2 is dividing by 2, so 2 divided by 2 is, you know, the same number that will be cancelled. 2 times 1, 2 times 1, so only 3 is left here, so minus 3, and then minus minus plus. I'm sorry, there was a minus sign here in the question, you must recall. So there's a minus sign here, so minus minus, it is plus here. So minus 5 times 5 is 25, minus minus plus. So all three numbers are adding together. 22 plus 3 is 25, plus 25, the answer is 50. Question 10 part 2, answer is 50. Okay, so here we have question number 11. It says Raj is 12m years old. His son was born when he was 9m years old. Don't be confused by this m, it's just a variable given to just show the age of the persons involved in the question. So 9m is just an age. Okay, 9m years old. Part 1 says that find Raj's age 5 years later. So it's very easy. As we know, Raj is 12 years old right now, so present age 12m years old, and after 5 years, so I will simply add 5 here, put it in a bracket, years. 12 plus 5 years, this is the year, this is the age. of Raj after 5. Why have I not written any M here? Because 12M was Raj's age. So it was 12M. Plus only 5 means I have only added 5 years to his age. So this is the expression I can use. I don't know the value of M. So I've simply written M here and added 5 years because I know that I have to only add 5 years to his age. So 12M plus 5 years would be his age after 5 years. Part 2 says find the sum of their ages in 5 years time. So sum of the ages means we have to add their respective ages, Raj and his son's ages in 5 years. So we know that Raj's age right now is 12M, but we don't know how old the son is. We've just given that Raj is 12M years old. His son was born when he was 9M years old. So we don't know the age of the son. So first, to find the present age of the son, present age of the son, it would be for example, to understand this, let's take an example. Just to understand, remove this M from right now. Just remove these M's and read the question. Raj is 12 years old. His son was born when he was 9 years old. So how old the son would be right now? Raj was 12 years old when his son was born, and his son was born when he was 9 years old. So obviously his son right now would be 3 years old. How did I get this? It's very easy. We just have to subtract 12M minus the age when his son was born, so it would be 3M. 3M years is the present age of the son. So we know that Raj's age in 5 years time would be this. Now we will do the same for the son's age. Age of Raj's son in 5 years time would be very easy. 3M is his current age. We will add 5 to it. Easy. Now we know the age of the son in 5 years time, and in the first part we know the age of Raj in 5 years time. So now we will simply add them because we have to find the sum of their ages in 5 years time. So first I will write so now we are doing the sum of Raj and his son's age in 5 years time. So Raj's age is 12M plus 5 plus, because of the sum we are finding the sum, so I will add, this is Raj's son's age after 5 years, so I will add this to it. Now we will just have to solve them. So I can open the brackets because these both brackets are adding together. So I can simply open the brackets because nothing is multiplying here. So plus 3M plus it's 5. So now I can simply rearrange them. 12M plus 3M plus 5 plus 5. So 12M plus 3M is 15M plus 5 plus 5 is 10. This is their age. This is the sum of their ages after 5 years time. So this is our answer here. Okay, so here we have question number 12. It says Huixian bought 8 books at $W each and 7 pens at $M each. She had 3W plus $5M left. Find the amount she had at first. Okay, so first of all, don't be confused by this W and M. These are just variables given to you. For example, $3, $2, $4. So here they have replaced it with W, and same is here. 3W plus $5M. This is an amount. Okay, this is the amount of money which is left after spending the money on these things, the books and the pens. And sorry. And here we have to find that the amount she had first. She had first means that the amount total she had before spending on any of the things. So we have to find that how much she I don't know he or she, because the name is Wixian. I don't know if it's he or she. So let's go with he. So he the amount of money he spent on books and pens, and I will add that money to the amount which is left. So this is how we would know that okay, they've written it here. It's a she. So that in that way we would know that how much money she is left with. So first of all, again I'm repeating what we are going to do here. uh, Huixian brought 8 books and $W each and 7 pence at $M each. So first I will find the money she spent on these things. So 8 books at $W means for example, just for the sake of understanding, replace W with 3 here for a moment. Okay, it's a 3. So 8 books at $3 each. So 8 books at $3 each would be 8 times 3. It would be, yes, right, it's 24 dollars spent on 8 books. So if 8 books cost $3 each, the amount spent on 8 books at $3 each would be $24. And for example, 7 pence at for example, replace this M with 2 for a moment. So 7 pence at $2 each would be 7 times 2, $14. So she spent, for example, she spent $24 on 8 books and $14 on 7 pence. So I will add these two and also add this amount here. So this is how I will find that how much money she had at first. Okay, so let's start. 8 books multiplied by $W plus 7 pence at $M each. This is how I'll find the money she spent, and I will add this amount which was left. So it was 3W plus 5M dollars. So it's very easy now. 8 times $W would be $8W plus 7M dollars plus 3W plus 5M dollars. Now I will just have to simplify it. It's very easy now. Just open the brackets. 8. I'm just taking out the dollar, just removing the dollar for now. Just have to write it again and again. So first I will solve it without the dollar, and at the end I will put the dollar sign in my answer. So 8W plus 7M plus 3W plus 5M. So 8W plus 3W, again 8 with 3 and 7M with 5M. So 8 plus 3, 11W, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 12M. In the bracket, this is in dollars. So this is the amount she started with. Okay, so the exercise 4 is done. Please complete all the remaining questions, the remaining parts on yourself. And if you have any confusion, if you want me to clear any confusions, I can make another video for that. Do let me know in the comments sections, and just keep practicing maths at home. Okay, Jazakallah.